The most exciting thing has just arrived. Excuse me, sir. Quiet on set. So let's go and get it from the courier. Guys, I'm so excited. Take a look. Ta-da! Isn't that exciting? Okay, so of course it's practically Christmas for me at the moment. I'm not even going to change out of what I was wearing because I am so dang excited. What this package essentially is the Cricut Cutie crate. So I love how that rhymes with each other, and essentially it is the Cricut Ambassador South Africa 2021 crate. So I am super, super, super honored and super, super, super excited to have been chosen to be a Cricut ambassador. And they've obviously sent me all of this stuff, and I'm going to be making some great Cricut content in the future. So if you want to see my journey, I'm going to be 100% transparent with my journey. I've never used a Cricut before. I'm coming from silhouette background, so I'm obviously very familiar on the silhouette and how that works. So I really hope that this will help you to maybe learn how to use a Cricut as well. It'll also show you, what you can do, what you may not know, but let's get started with the unboxing. Our supervisors will be joining us soon. What now? Supervisor is coming to say hello. Oh, inspecting. What's going on, Fred? What is all of this, hey? Hey, my boy. Okay. So we have this, which is, ooh, the essential tool set. Okay, this is beautiful. They have a cutter as well, which is really nice. And they even have spare blades. So it's scissors, a scraper, a lifter, tweezers, weeding tool. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not going to lie. Number 4, a scoring stylus. Oh, that's very cool. And of course, this board acts as a scoring board as well as a cutter. That is super neat. I'm super excited to try some of that. Oh, Fredness, what's in here? What is that, me Fredness, hey? It's a Cricut Cutie! And it's a lilac one as well, which is really exciting. I really like the lilac color. Let's take a look-see. Sir is just settling into... Oh, no, he's exploring on the Cricut Maker. You can see there. Okay, this is adorable. This is so adorable. Look at that, guys. Oh, adorable. So cute. So cute. Okay, we've got some vinyl, permanent vinyl. So this is obviously just adhesive vinyl, glossy. 6 sheets. Okay, so you might obviously get one of each of these sheets. They are 12 by 12, which is great. Lovely. Okay, so I see that these also have the little heat marks. So obviously this is permanent vinyl, and then we have iron on as well. So heat transfer vinyl, what I normally call it, but they call it iron on. And there's 3 of these. Red, black, and white. Also 12 by 12. Oh, this is exactly what I was wanting. Okay. Permanent vinyl, holographic. 3 of these, pinky, a bluey, and a reddy color. But they are 12 by 24. So you get double the amount as what you would in the vinyl, but it's obviously much longer. Or you get half the amount as what you would get in the permanent vinyl, the normal colors, but it is double the length. So it's essentially the same amount. Then we have the Cricut Infusible ink. So this is exactly the same as your sublimation things, but it's these beautiful, beautiful colors like green, mermaid. I really want to open this. Like, I'm okay with not really opening the rest of the stuff, but this I really want to open. This is kind of one of the things that I was looking forward to getting or to playing with. Okay, it comes in a little... It's obviously to make sure that the inks last longer. Okay, there. That lighting situation is now a lot better. So this is the infusible ink sheets. Oh, vacuum sealed, clearly. Yes, they also tell you instructions on how to use it. I've seen lots of videos on this, so I know how to use it. It essentially works like vinyl, where you would cut it. And then it also works like sublimation sheets, where you place it on whatever you want to sublimate. Oh, that must be silicone sheeting. That's very useful. You place it on what you want to sublimate, and you press it at like 190, 200 degrees for 90 seconds. And then it transfers whatever's on the picture. So we've got this beautiful mermaidy color, stunning ombre sheet. This is also quite pretty. Not one of my favorites, but it's very pretty. And then this like duck egg type one. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like it. Super keen to play with this. And like I said, I think these are silicone sheets that you use to press them with. So that's very nice that they give those as well. I mean, this stuff is also, I'm not going to lie, this stuff is also divine. Maybe let's just open this one too. So it's this color, which is absolutely to die for. And that's that pinky purpley color, or the greeny one, I think. It has a little bit of a green shine to it. Yeah, it's like greeny bluey colored one. And then we have the like the rose gold colored one, which is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I can totally see these as being everybody's favorite. We are so excited for you to get started on your journey with Cricut. Thank you for your patience as everything falls into place. Enjoy every moment of unpacking your cutie crate, and then get cracking and make magic, but above all, have fun. Love, Jolina. Well, Jolina, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Thank you very much. I'm super, super honored to have been chosen, and I'm super, super excited to get started. So I appreciate this very much. Then we have some more permanent vinyl. This stuff is beautiful. It's actually textured. Like you can see there, it's completely textured, but it's also got like lines on it. This is stunning. And there's obviously a gold, silver, and a platinum one as well. I love this. I think this is beautiful. Permanent vinyl as well. Then we have some more iron-on. Sport Flex iron-on for activewear. So obviously this is like a little bit more of a stretchy one. Gold, white, and silver. Then we have some permanent vinyl. This parchment color, black, white, coffee, gold, and silver. Also 6 12x12 sheets. Love it. Love it. Then lastly, we have some Cricut pens. That's very cool. Just some nice pens. Black, red, blue, green, and yellow. Very exciting. I'm sure that'll work beautifully. And that is the end of our cutie crate. So let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the cutie crate was. My favorite part of the cutie crate was definitely the infusible ink sheets. I'm super excited to get started with those. So once again, a huge, huge thank you to Cricut for sending me the Ambassador Cutie Crate. I am beyond excited to get started, and I'm definitely going to be filming lots with the stuff that you've sent me. I'm going to be sharing it lots and enjoying it most of all. So thank you very much, and tune in because I'm going to be releasing an unboxing video of the Cricut Maker as well. So stick around and then you'll see that video shortly. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more crafting related content. I do content with both the Cricut and the Silhouette machines, and even projects that you can use with both. So I hope to see you in my next video. So until next time, everybody, remember, be kind to someone today. See you soon.